Hello student, in this video we talk about the post revisions in WordPress, right? So what is the post revision? Post revision protect your data because you have access all your previous revision. When you changing some data in your post and you remove some data and you edit some data, and after 1 day or sometime you want to I have some mistake, so I want to restore my previous data. So the post revision gave you this option to restore your data, and the WordPress auto save your post after 60 seconds when you write something in WordPress blog editor, right? So go to WordPress dashboard and then go to post, click on all posts. And from here you see the all posts. So we open that post. So our post is open, and first we close it, right? If this area is closed, so you go to your settings, right? It is your settings, and then click on settings. In settings you see the revision option. It shows this post is 3-time review, right? And then click to the revisions. And from here you see all your revision, the data which you have added. So on the left side it shows the removed data, right? And on the right side it shows the edit data that, which you have added. And from here you see the dates, right? 17 September, 5 minutes ago I have updated this post, and it go 4 days ago, 13 September, right? So we restore the 4 days ago data. So move it, right? Move it, and then so first we move it on 14 days ago and then restore this version. So that data will be restored, right? So the post is restored, and when we restore it, it shows 3 times. Now it shows the 4-time revision because we have already added again it in the 4th time. So it shows the 4th-time revision. It means all the 4-time revision, when you click on it, you see all your 4-time revision, and you restore your revision from here at any time, right? Thank you for watching for this video.